Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss dictionary chapter. It's basically data type of Python. Okay, as a data type earlier we have done list, we have done string, we have done numerical data types, integer, boolean. Now we will be handling dictionary data. So dictionary, it is an unordered collection of items where each item consists of a key and a value. Okay, key and a value. This is key and this is value. Dictionary is always enclosed with a curly brace. By this enclosing curly braces only, you will understand that this is a dictionary type. If you see that it is a the datas are enclosed with square brackets, that means it is a list. If you say datas are enclosed with parenthesis, that means it is a tuple. So here it is curly braces. Just see how Guido von Rossum has used beautifully used these three types of brackets to identify or say to separate three types of data type, that is tuple and dictionary and list. Here a dictionary is also like list, it is also a mutable data type. As you know that in mutable data type we can uh, change the data. Mutable means changeable. We can change the data, we can change the value of the data, and that changes will be reflected in the same ID. Okay, so it is an unordered collection of items where each item consists of key and a value. It is a mutable data type. Okay, can modify its content, but key must be unique and immutable. There are two parts. The value is mutable, key is not mutable. Key is to value. In dictionary also, manual dictionary, what you see, some you will search some word, that is the key. You will be searching what is the meaning of fun. Okay, so if you go to the FUN, so if, I mean alphabetically you will search that one. Once you get that one, so many meanings are there of that fun word. So fun here is a key, and what are the meanings are there, that is the value. So if you delete the fun, then what you will be searching? So key will be there and value you can change. Then now creating a dictionary, here you can see it is enclosed in curly braces, already I have told you, and each item is separated from other item by a comma. So keys to value, then comma, then keys to value, then comma, so and so, and the whole thing will be enclosed with the curly braces. Within each item, key and value are separated by a colon. Okay, the passing value in dictionary at declaration is dictionary initialization. So dot get method is used to access value of a key. So so now if you see the example, then only it will be clear to you. So we are taking the example of DICT dictionary equal to, this is the variable name, equal to key is to value, key colon value, comma, key colon value. So how many keys are there? Two keys are there. What are those? Subject and class. And how many values are there? Two values are there. Informatics practices and 11. So key and value is separated by a colon. Okay, this is as well a single thing, and then comma, then another single. Two things are there, then one thing is again, one element is again has two parts, key colon value, then key colon value. So two keys are there and two values are there. The whole thing is enclosed with a curly brace. This will identify that this is a dictionary. Okay, fine. Now once it is done, that subject informatics practices, and another key you are taking class, that is 11. So we have enclosed this one. Now let us see what happened. Accessing list item. So list item we have to access. So dictionary dict is this one. Print, if I give the print dict, if I want to print, so this way the dictionary will be printed. You see the output here. You have given, we have given print dict. So this is the output. Okay, class 11, this is unordered. So how the output keys to value, all the key colon value pairs will be getting, but the order is unpredictable. That's why it is called unordered collection. So here it has come class, then 11 subject informatics practices. Okay, now print subject comma, if I give this command subject, that is key comma dict, or within the bracket key, so it will give the value, yani with the dictionary variable. If you give the key along with that, so it will give the corresponding value of that particular key, that is informatics practices. So here it has come informatics practices. Moreover, that means we are accessing the value of a particular key in this way. So moreover, if I want to access the value of a key, we can get in this way also. Dict dot get and then key name, so that also will give keys to value pair. So class dict dot get and then key name. So I have got the value here. Here also I have got the value. Here also I have got the value. Just see the difference between it. Here we have used specially the get command, and here we have given within the square bracket, we have given the key, and automatically it has given the value. Okay, here we will be seeing that how the dictionary elements can be traversed. Okay, so iterating or traversing through a dictionary. As you know that we can traverse a data item which has multiple elements. We can use the for loop. So here we have one example of dictionary, that dict equal to key colon value comma key colon value. Two keys are there and two values are there. Therefore I am putting one loop, that for I in dict, okay, dictionary print dictionary and ith element, print dictionary ith element. So what will happen in that case? In that case what will happen, that you can see that for I in dictionary, so I first value of I is subject, second value of I is class. So first the subject will go there. Now you are putting that subject as a key here. Okay, you just see dictionary dict and then I, that is subject. So dict subject, what is the value of that one? Informatics. So it will come informatics practices. And what is dict class, what is this one? 11. So it has come 11. Order you cannot predict, because dictionary is unpredictable, unordered collection. That's why you cannot predict the order. So you can way either this way, you can write either that way. But when this loop will be going, two times it will be executing, because two elements are there here as a whole. And I will, if I is having first class, then dict class, that is 11 has come, then subject, so dict subject, that is informatics practice has come. So in this way, instead of two, if there are 500 elements, nothing to worry. So automatically it will be coming in this way. All the values of each key will be getting. Okay, now next will be what we will be observing, that is how we can update the dictionary elements. As I told you that dictionary element is mutable, So we can update the dictionary element in this way. Suppose dict equal to subject is to information practices, that is keys to value comma keys to value, this is the dictionary. Now I want to change this subject as a computer science, informatic practices as a computer science. So what will happen, dict and then key, okay, equal to I have given the value. So it will go to the this particular key and it will change this value informatics practice with the computer science. Now this will become computer science. So key you cannot change, so key is there. Now it will become computer science. And now if you print the dictionary, you will find that class 11 that is there and subject computer science. So we can say that it is a mutable data type where we can change the value. We cannot change the key, but we can change the value by referring its particular keys. Here you can see dictionary, then key, and you have given your value. So this is this value is changed here. So in this way, so today what we have learned, a dictionary is a data type. It is the all the data are enclosed with the curly braces, and curly braces will itself tell that if something is closed with the curly braces and there is keys to value pair, so it is a dictionary. Dictionary is mutable. Okay, how we can write a dictionary keys to value pair, that we have seen. Key we cannot change, but its value part we can change. Third thing is that here we have learned how to iterate or say traverse the dictionary using the for loop. Okay, if I give the for I in dictionary name, so I will be traversing the keys, and using that key, using that I, we can get its value. So we can access the each element of a dictionary by either using its key or the date dot get command. So that also we have seen, and we have also today changed the how the dictionary elements can be changed. That also we have done that through this dict, then key value we can change the value of a dictionary item. So for today it's enough. Then we'll meet you with the next part. Thank you very much. Once again, good morning.